The P0171 code on your Ford F-150 means bank one of your engine is running too lean. You can fix this by locating and replacing a cracked vacuum hose, cleaning a dirty mass airflow sensor, or swapping out a failing oxygen sensor. A lean condition happens when there is too much air and not enough fuel in the combustion chamber. The powertrain control module tries to compensate by adding more fuel, but it eventually triggers the check engine light when it hits its limit. The most common culprit on the F-150 is a vacuum leak. You need to inspect the PCV valve and its surrounding hoses for cracks, tears, or a loose connection. A broken hose pulls unmetered air directly into the intake manifold, throwing off the air to fuel ratio completely. If the hoses look solid, your next step is the mass airflow sensor located near the air filter box. A dirty mass airflow sensor reads the incoming airflow incorrectly and tells the computer to cut back on fuel. You can clean the sensor wire carefully using a dedicated mass airflow sensor cleaner spray. Allow it to dry completely before reinstalling it. If both the vacuum lines and mass airflow sensor are in good shape, the issue often points to an upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1. A degraded O2 sensor gives false lean readings to the computer. Replacing the sensor on the passenger side of the engine exhaust will restore accurate data and clear the code. Check your fuel pressure if the code persists, as a weak fuel pump or clogged fuel injector can also starve the engine of fuel.